Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw Deadpool as an Among Us character. So it's an Among Us crewmate. Let's get started. It's going to be very, very easy to stay to the very end. Going to draw a curve right here for kind of the front of that viewport, right? In front of, I don't know what you call it, like lens or something. Curve over here for the top of that area. And then curve underneath. Hopefully having a good day, by the way. I am. So just kind of fun. If you saw Deadpool Wolverine, let me know in the comment section. I want to hear what you thought about it. I'm going to go right here now on the lens, and I'm going to go right here and I'm going to draw like a line to kind of give it a little bit of a, like it's a reflective surface, right? Maybe even like a circle over here. Okay, so far so good. I'm going to go right here and I'm going to pull up right there for kind of the front of the kind of forehead of the crewmate. Keep curving over here to the right, kind of back in the back area. Over here on this area now, we're going to pull. Yeah, let's pull all the way down for the front. All right. Curve underneath, pull up. Right here, curve underneath the lower section of the body. And then into the other leg. Don't forget to hit the like, by the way. It's like, you know, if I do appreciate you being here, if you do like the, you know, stuff on the channel, hit that like. Helps, you know, the algorithm out in general. Gonna go pull over here, continue to pull all the way down, all the way down, all the way down, all the way down, and curve underneath. So with stuff like this, by the way, and I always say this in a lot of videos, is you want to be close enough. You don't have to be exact. We're not robots. Don't worry about it. But like you want to be, you know, close enough, and like, you know, meaning the viewer can tell what it is. So right now we got a crewmate. Let's put some shiny Deadpool stuff on there. I'm almost done. All right, so stay with me on this. We're gonna go over here. We're gonna pull a line out for the sword. Line out over here for kind of that area of the sword as well. Across, kind of the what do you call it? The hilt of the sword. I'm not sure what you call it. Upward, out, down. So really we're just doing little squares. If you look at that, it's very simple. It's just little squares, super easy. Gonna pull out over here, curve for kind of the handle of it right there. Sweet. I don't know if you can hear that, but it's like a machine going off in the back, but it's gonna stop. Don't worry about it. Gonna go right here, line, and we're gonna put kind of line over here, kind of across. Like so, to kind of give it a little bit of texture. Let's go over here to this side now. Up over here. Curve down. Line over there, same thing. Kind of looks like the kind of the material on the sword. Okay. Stay with me, like I said, we're really almost done here. And now we're gonna go over here, we're gonna draw like the pattern. Out, down, curve underneath. Kind of are creating our own pattern over here for Deadpool. And we're gonna fill that in right there, because I would say it's important for, and I'm gonna do it real quick right here for the demonstration. While I'm filling this shape in, I want to tell you about some awesome stuff. If you're really serious about upgrading your drawing skill, like really, really serious, if you're like, hey, I want to do it quicker, there's two things for you, and they're completely free. Number one, there is a how to draw cartoony ebook. Basically, in the description right there, there's a free ebook on basically how to draw anything you want cartoony. So a lot of that has to do with you know, proportions and things like that. It's very simple, and I try to make it as easy. If pretty much made it for total beginners. So if you're a beginner and you want to be able to draw that stuff really effortlessly, you don't have to think that much, and just kind of look at something and know how to draw it cartoony, go download that. It's free right now. It's not going to be free forever, but absolutely go get that. And then the other thing is a free how to draw Godzilla worksheet, and it shows you exactly how to draw Godzilla's head in a little bit more of a realistic manner. So if you're into Godzilla in any way, go get that. That's a must-have. That's probably the best thing I've ever put out. It is literally just a few sheets, and you'll know exactly how to draw Godzilla perfectly every single time. So go pick those two up in the description. Okay, let's go over here now to the belt. We're going to draw a circle right here for kind of the belt. And then we're going to put the Deadpool logo in there. So it's going to draw a line here toward the middle. circle out over here. And then we're gonna draw a eye right here, eye right there. And then we're gonna fill it in around this area. There we go. Right on. And then line out, line out, line out, line out, down. And like, we're gonna draw the belt, but it's funny because we're dealing with all these boxes. Across, make that part of the belt a little bit thicker. Over here, across. Line over here. Down, 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 down. Up like a V shape, because these are little pockets, right? These little bags that he has to carry stuff. And then now we're going to go over here. Actually, we're going to draw a line right here for the foot. And then down, we're a little bit more for the foot right there. And then this bottom part we're going to fill in as well. So, like I said, we're really almost done. We're right at the home stretch. Let me know what it is that you like about, Among Us or Deadpool. I want to hear your thoughts. And if you use this marker, by the way, always have the fan on. It's such a big deal to have the fan on. Out over here, down. So that's kind of the design on his outfit as well. We're going to fill that in. All right. So far, so good. Now we're going to double check everything. So now we got to draw the last thing, which is the backpack of the crewmate, right? So down right here, curve in. Line over here. And if you want, you can fill in this portion of the sword. I was going to say that also is really cool. Right on. And then you can draw another square right here, because that part of the outfit kind of goes down right there. But that's pretty much the end of it. What I want to do is I want you to kind of take, like, look, you always gonna double check your character, make sure lines are clean enough. If like areas are not shaded in enough, go do that. It's probably a lot easier to kind of shade in areas with pencil if you're doing that with pencil. But marker, I prefer it just because it's simpler. Again, you really want to do that with a ventilated space. Stay around here though, by the way. I want you to stay there because we're gonna go through another drawing lesson together. Okay? So you stay there right now. We're gonna go through it together right about now. Okay, so that was amazing. You finished this lesson, but keep it going. Keep the art practice going by clicking this video right here. It's going to be within the same theme, and you want to keep it rolling to get better and better and better and get that art flow going. So click right here.